Hey tubers, I'm inside of 2012 BMW X3, which doesn't crank, and it shows the code. It shows a code for engine started, fault during startup operation. Okay, this code comes from immobilizer. Engine has no codes. Engine has no codes, so it's not a EWS problem like everybody thinks. It's a starter problem, and usually the EWS module will tell you exactly what it's experiencing, and it's experiencing a no start situation when it wants to. There's no code situation with the engine. Okay.